Hola Mi Gente, my name is Carlos Ruiz and welcome to StickyCounters, a show where you will learn everything there is to know about cocktails and how to make them at home. I'm super excited to be kicking off our very first episode with a Pomegranate Margarita featuring the one and only Revel Avila Agave Spirit. Alright, so it is time to make the cocktail. Let's get the ingredients ready. Lime. Grenadine. Now in this case, I actually made my own homemade grenadine. Now if you want to learn how to make this, please hit that subscribe button because I am going to be putting up a video to show you how to do that. Next, we have the star of the show, Revel Avila Agave Spirit. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Revel. Tequila comes from Jalisco, Mexico. This agave spirit is made with blue pepper agave, which is the main ingredient in making tequila, but because it does not come from Jalisco, it cannot be called tequila. So this actually comes from Morelos, Mexico, and it is called Revel Avila. Now this product is going to have more of an earthy and herbal flavor to it, which is really nice with the pomegranate and the lime juice. So first, we're going to start off with the cheapest ingredient, which in this case, it's going to be the lime because I got them on sale. So we're going to roll them out. Now, what this is doing is really just getting, making the lime a little bit softer so it's easier for me to like squeeze when I'm putting it into my jigger. Now, you might be wondering, what the hell is a jigger? It kind of looks like a shot glass. Well, it's not a shot glass, it's a measuring tool that bartenders utilize to get the perfect balanced cocktail. As you can see, you have the little top and a long top. Now, this little top right here is measured to 1 ounce. But then also, if you look inside, there's going to be some lines that say 3/4 and 1/2 ounce. But now when you flip it over, you have a 2-ounce pour all the way to the tippy top right there. And then inside you have 1.5 ounce pour. Now, this is very, very important in making cocktails. I think you should always use a measuring cup to make a cocktail to always have that balanced drink. All right, so now let's get back to the lime. After you roll it out, we're going to cut it right in half. Now we're going to grab our hand juicer. Just throw it right in there. It just makes it easier and it makes it cleaner. There. A quick tip, usually a lime is 1 ounce pour. Now what we're going to do is we have the lime juice. We're going to measure out 3/4 ounce. We don't need the full ounce. Now we're going to grab our small tin, throw the lime juice in there. And next, we're going to move on to our sweetener. Now, the reason why you need sugar, first of all, is because of texture, and it's going to counterbalance the acidity of the lime or any citrus that's going in there. So sugar is very important. I know people watching their calories, but you need sugar to make a really well-balanced cocktail. So if I use 3/4 ounce of lime juice, we're going to put 3/4 ounce of grenadine. And again, this is a homemade grenadine, which is why it's not that bright red 40 color that you usually see at the stores. Now, homemade grenadine is actually made with pomegranate juice and some sugar. And then you could flavor it with cinnamon, clove, allspice, and you could get creative. But the way I do it, can't tell you because you got to tune into the next episode to see what's going to happen. So we have our lime, we have our pomegranate, and now the star of the show, Revel Avila Agave Spirit, baby. It's 50-50 of roasted and steamed agaves. So it's just going to create more of an herbal quality. So this margarita is going to taste like, it's just going to transport you into like an island feel. You're just going to have a super refreshing taste. Then also with the fresh lime juice, what you get is, first of all, I wish you could smell my hands. My hands, all those oils of the lime, it's really like all over me and I love it. But now I'm putting in my Revel Spirit. We're going to put 1.5 ounce right in there. Now, as you can see, I utilized just the top. I didn't flip it over to do the 1.5 ounce because you can still do 1 ounce and then you have the 1/2 ounce in there. So I put that into the shaker. Next step, ice. Also, ice is very important. When I shake up my cocktails, I actually like to utilize some big cubes just so you aerate the cocktail a little bit better. And it's just going to create, let's say, more of a fluffier cocktail in a sense. So now we're going to grab the big shaker, top it off, and hit it 2 times. Boom, boom. Now what that does is it's going to lock in the shakers. Now you flip, you do a little dance, and you shake. crack it open, and you could just hear it sizzling. Not like a steak, but still sizzling. And now we're gonna grab our rocks glass, and we're gonna fill it up with ice, with a nice ice cube. Now, the reason I'm utilizing a big ice cube and not small ice cubes is because you don't want that fast dilution. The big ice cube is gonna slow that process down, and you're just gonna get a more balanced cocktail at the end. Now, we're just gonna strain right in there. Look at the color. There you go. And now, to finish it off, something very important is the garnish. You know, the cocktails always need to look pretty. So what we're gonna do, it's just really simple, a nice lime wheel. And there you have it, a Pomegranate Margarita featuring the one and only Revel Avila Agave Spirit. Cheers, salud, and there you have it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and ring that bell, and let's get it!